Welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how you can write a romance novel to publish on Amazon KDP to earn some extra income. Now, I've been using this method and testing out this method and it's working extremely well. So I thought I would share it with you, and I'm just on Amazon right now and you can see I've typed in dark romance books, okay? And you can see all these and these are specifically filtered for Amazon Kindle, okay? Kindle edition. You can see all these dark romance books right here that you will be able to create, okay, using AI. And this isn't going to take you weeks or months to actually create a dark romance book. You can get this done within a couple of hours, and it's going to be very easy to follow. So you can see you can create books like this and you can earn revenue or royalties for these particular books that you do publish. Okay, so I'm going to go and show you in depth about the tool that I've been testing and using, but first of all I want to show you what it is. Okay, so I've been testing out this tool called Steamy Co-Author, and what this is going to allow you to do is, like I said, write these books, and these aren't going to generate AI slop. These are high quality books. You can even put them through a quality checker and they're going to come back as top tier books. Okay, so this isn't going to be AI slop. The AI is not going to drift. There's going to be no plot holes, and it works with Claude and ChatGPT. Okay, so you will need either Claude or ChatGPT to be able to make this work, but usually if you're in this sort of niche, then you will have that. So I'm going to tell you the price. You can get full access to this for just $17 right now, or let me just double check the price. Okay, so it's actually during the launch it was $17, but right now you can get Steamy Co-Author for $27, and you can read all the real testimonials and everything like that. And the owner of this product, the person who created this product, is Soren Jules Jordanson, and he created these 3 books, and they're known as the Ashcombe Files. It's a 3-book series, and what you do is you publish these books, and you don't necessarily get paid for each book that you sell, but you get paid for the amount of pages that the people read when they get the Kindle Unlimited subscription. So people buy the Kindle Unlimited subscription, and then when they read a page of your book, you're going to get paid for that. So let me just scroll down, and as you can see, I was able to get number 3 in dark romance with this Cruel Grace book right here. And here you can see 22,384 pages read, and this is like as you can see here, this is like a 2-week period. Okay, and then he was able to generate $1,020 for those pages read on his particular book. So that's really good. There's some payment proofs, and then it ended up being for his whole account on all his 6 books. So you can see he's in the trenches. He's doing this every single day. You can see that he's got 91,689 pages read from his books, and you can see the dark romance one that he wrote is actually number 2 right there out of the whole list in his account. So that's available for $27, and I do have some exclusive. I do have 4 exclusive bonuses that I'm going to give you access today if you decide to pick up the Steamy Co-Author by the first link in the video description. I'll show you those later, but I'm sure you're eager to see what this tool is and how it works. Okay, so if I just go into here, when you purchase the product, you'll go to this Copy Viking dashboard right here, and this is going to give you all the lessons on exactly what you need in order to get this up and running. Okay, it's going to give you, if you go to the first module, you can see it's a full in-depth training course as well. There's 27 modules. Okay, and some of them, what you can do is you can actually listen to the lessons, and you can read through it as you listen to it. And then some of them actually have videos right here as well. So this is a 5-minute video. You'll notice as you go through, some of them are just text and audio, and some of them are video. And this is going to teach you everything step by step, exactly how to get started publishing in the dark romance niche or romance niche on Amazon KDP. So one of the things that I wanted to show you here is why dark romance. Dark romance is it's a rising niche. A lot of people are getting success within this niche, and it's up and coming, and it's not so competitive compared to all the other Amazon KDP niches right here. But basically, if I go to the before we begin the first lesson, what you'll do when you get access to this product, you'll go here and you'll click on the dark romance framework. Okay, you will actually download this file. So you can see the dark romance file has been downloaded right now, and if I go to my downloads and show you, you can see that you'll get the file right here. All you need to do is extract it, and then you'll get this dark romance folder. You click on dark romance, and then what you do in your ChatGPT or your Claude is you upload the framework, and then you upload the style pack into Claude or ChatGPT, and then you run the setup prompt once you're ready to get started, and I will show you all of that and how it works. Okay, so those are the files you need. Basically, the setup and how this works is you will go, for me, I'm using Claude, so I will open up Claude and I'll just go to a new chat, and then what I'll do, actually you have to go to projects, click on projects, click on new project, and I'm going to call this test dark romance. I'm going to call it test dark romance. You can give it a description, but then you just create the project, and there where you see and by the way, if you're stuck on, if you're using like ChatGPT or something, what you can do is you can go into this lesson here where it says running the setup. Okay, you click running the setup, and as you can see, it'll guide you through everything. And right at the bottom of this module, you'll be able to see two videos. So the full run on ChatGPT and the full run on Claude. So you're not going to be left with questions. You're actually going to get everything you need in this training. And as you can see on each module, if you get stuck and you have a question, you can see that you earn points and everything like that as you go through the lessons. You mark them as complete. But as you can see here, there's a discussion right here. You can put your questions in the discussion and you can get feedback. You can get your questions answered in the discussion. So it's very interactive. The training is very, very good. I've been going through it right here. You can see some of these lessons are like, that one's 8 minutes. Okay, this one right here is 4 minutes. Let me see, this one, welcome to Ashcom, I believe this one's 11 minutes. So it's full in depth, and you get all the resources that you do need on the right hand side if you do get stuck. So I want to actually show you how you would use this to actually create a romance book for Amazon KDP, and then I'll show you my bonuses that you get if you decide to pick up this today at the first link in the description. So I'll go back to Claude there where it says, okay, so you open a new project in Claude or ChatGPT, and then you need to include those files. So here where it says context, you click on plus and you upload from device. And then you want to upload the framework and you want to upload the style pack. Okay, and then you click on open, and there you can see now those two files have been added, and this is the whole setup that's going to allow you to run the prompt and then create the book step by step using prompts. And so all you need to do now is you need to go and you need to get these, click on plus in the chat, click on add files, and then you want to include the setup prompt. So upload the setup prompt, then go back to the Steamy co-author product, and then you go to module number 8, running the setup, and there's a prompt right here that you need to copy. So everything's given for you, there's no stone left unturned. Okay, so I'm just going to find that prompt. You can just basically copy it. So here it is. Whichever engine you are on, send it this one line to begin. Please read the writing framework and the style pack in the source files, then read the setup prompt and then execute it. So you just copy that, go back to Claude or ChatGPT, then you just paste that in there, and you want to use Opus 4.8 on high. Okay, and then you want to click on start task. So now it's going to start running, and the product, the Steamy co-author, has a detailed process on how they actually write this. Okay, so you can either give it a few sentences to describe what type of book you want, or you could write a full in-depth description of what you would like your book to be like, or you can just click on surprise me, and then the AI will do all the heavy lifting for you and do the actual writing for you. And you can actually run these books that it generates through an AI checker, and it's going to come back as top tier quality. So you can see it's just thinking right now. I'll just let it complete this, and then I'll show you what it comes back with. Okay, so it's done its initial startup phase of what it does, and it says step 1, use your creative seed. So you can use all your creativity when it comes to this. You can input your seed. Like I said, it could be 1 or 2 words, a sentence, or a whole long paragraph to decide your book. Or you can do surprise me. So you can type in surprise me and I'll generate the concepts from scratch. Okay, so to make this nice and simple, I'm just going to show you how easy and simple this is. I'm going to click on surprise me and I'm going to paste that in there, and then I'm going to click on run. Okay, and then as you can see, it's starting up. But most importantly, if you want the book to be in your tone and in your style of writing, and it's going to be unique to you, then you want to go ahead and take the time to plan out your creative seed, and you want to put like a 1-line sentence in there, or a paragraph, or a long description, and you can see it gives you some advice on how you can do that. Okay, so you can see it's thinking right now. So it says locking in American English, and I'll drive the concept. You can grab the wheel at any step, change anything, or tell me keep surprising you. So as you go through the whole process, you type either your own words or your own concepts, or you just type surprise me, and then the AI does all the heavy lifting for you. So right here, this is the concept of the book. These are some concepts. Bratvia Winter, the arranged marriage. Okay, the Watcher, obsession, contemporary city, no crime family, just one man. Okay, see the estate, Gothic secret society, a remote inherited house. Okay, so these are all good and solid concepts for a dark romance books. So it says you can pick one, combine them, or a Bratvia house. So basically, I'm going to go with the first one. I like that one, so I'm going to say A, just type the one that you want, and then go continue. So you can see it's like a step-by-step process. You just go through this, and then the AI does all the heavy lifting for you. But like I said, if you want something really unique, take the time to actually complete your seed phrase. And then it says it's writing it right now. So as you can see, it's starting here. This gives you a subtitle. So it's going to take a while, maybe an hour or so, to actually write the full book. And most importantly, you don't want to cheap out on this. You want to use Opus 4.8 on high, so you get a really good quality book back. Okay, so you need to read this. So what you can do now, it says, so confirm or adjust the trope stack and tell me your kink includes, excludes, or any hard limits. So you can either adjust it, or you can just type in here now, confirm. Okay, click on confirm. Then it says starting up again, and now it's actually going to probably start writing the book right now. So once you confirm all these details right here, this is the full process you need to go through. As you can see, it's step by step. Claude or ChatGPT will guide you through the whole entire place. So now it's locked. You got your trope stack, dark mafia, arranged forced marriage, forced proximity. Okay, on your 2 real decisions, I'll make the default call. Step 3, pace, heat, and violence. Okay, so this is going to be about a 75 to 85k words that people will get on Kindle Unlimited. You're going to make money for each page read. So pick a preset, and if you want a nudge, a single dial. So I'm not going to complete the whole book, otherwise this video will be a whole hour long. But you can see this is the process of using the Copy Viking and Steamy co-author to write these romance novels for Amazon KDP. Okay, so you can get this at the first link in the video description for just $27. Now I want to show you my bonuses that I'll give you if you pick up that for $27. So the bonus number one I'm going to give you is the series and pen name stacking blueprint. This is where you turn one book into a bingeable catalog. Okay, because the money is made in the catalog of books that you have for Amazon KDP. You're not going to make much money if you just have one book, but if you have a catalog of 3 or 4 or 5 books, then you're going to make more money. So this bonus will help you turn one book into a bingeable catalog. You can see it's full and in-depth. I'm not going to reveal the whole thing. Okay, so then the next bonus is the trope and sub niche cheat sheet. What's actually selling in Steamy romance right now: the hot sub niches, the tropes readers binge, and the fresh but familiar stacks that hook them on site. So this is going to be your sub niche cheat sheet. I'll just show you a little bit, but to get these exclusive 4 bonuses, you can pick up the front end. So that's available. And then I'm going to show you this bonus is going to be the romance cover kit. And this one's I'm going to give you editable files that you can just edit so that you can create covers for your books. And then the last bonus is the live and selling roadmap. This is going to walk you through from going from an idea to a book and live and selling on Amazon. It's going to walk you through that entire process. Okay, so if you want to get access to Steamy co-author plus my 4 exclusive bonuses today, you can see the power of it. You just write it with ChatGPT or Claude, and then you can publish that on Amazon KDP. That's the first link in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.